our room tour at the Mirage. We've got a king Volcano. We are comped for 4 nights. I'm paying for the 5th. So here's the quick tour. It's a standard Mirage room. It's not really a lot to write home about. It does the job. So when you come in, you've got your closets, a really small bathroom. If I have any knock on the Mirage, that's how tiny the bathrooms are. Well, I have a couple of knocks, but this is, there's a few. So standard single sink, magnifying mirror, shower and tub is all in one. Pretty basic, really. There's your amenities. You get body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, soap, more soap. The Hello Kitty mask I bought myself at CVS. You do have a big mirror for those of you who are very keen on sharing your OOTDs. Simple little dresser, king bed. The expensive minibar, everybody knows about the expensive minibar. I don't need to tell you about the expensive minibar. The expensive snacks, again, same deal. A couple more drawers. TV. For the size of the room, I'd say it's small. But again, it's the Mirage. Chair's comfy. Another desk. Or nightstand, rather. So 2 nightstands, pretty basic clock. Bit disappointing. You'd think they'd throw in some USB and some new technology, but no, that's not what's happening here today. So, as I mentioned, we do have a volcano view. Volcanoes go 3 times a night, and I may have to definitely turn out the lights before you can see our view. Small desk, standard media connectivity panel. There is some USB over there. It's just normally most people charge their phones by the bed. So let's see what we can get on view if I start to turn out the lights. And you can start to see what the strip looks like. Full disclosure, we're just getting to the room now. It's 2 in the morning, which means it's 5 in the morning at home. And I'm tired. I've been going all day. Steve's been going all day. I'm not sure how he's handling all of this. Clearly much better than me, because I'm just ready to go to bed. So there's our view. You can see Treasure Island. You can see the other part of the Mirage, down into the atrium, the volcano, Casino Royale, Venetian Palazzo, Harrah's, the High Roller, and the Wynn and Encore. Tried to get us at least into a staywell. They said they were all booked up on the staywells. The advantage to this is we're on a higher floor because the staywells are on a lower floor, but I really wanted to try the staywell for a change, but that didn't even drop into my comps. All right, so that will conclude our room tour of our King Volcano view at the Mirage in Las Vegas.